Hi guys, my name is Anora Woods. I am back with another video after a very long while. My apologies for that. I did go through a whole depression phase again. But however, I'm feeling better. I feel like I can conquer the world. I can get back to living my life and just move forward. I'm doing a Fashionnova haul, and if you haven't yet, go ahead, subscribe, and let's get into this video. You know, Fashionnova got everybody money, including mine. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do this for my bobs. This is like an unboxing slash Fashionnova stuff because I have more right here on the floor. They're somewhat wrinkled, so I don't know. But let's see how they look on me and how they look on the models. And everything in total, I bought everything like last week, and this, like, I bought everything like the same week. I just ordered them at different times. I know, just kill me now. I don't know why. But these are the stuff that I got, and I feel like it's gonna look great on me. Oh my god. Oh, I got the top. Okay, so let's get started, y'all. I'm gonna get naked. I had to change my bra because, you know, some of these stuff. Do y'all think this is a distraction? Should I just... Okay, let me just put this. I feel like it's a distraction. This is how it looks on me. I had to change my bra. But this is how it looks. I would give this... I like it. I do. I like it. I like it a lot. It's different than what I usually buy. So that's also what I wanted with this collection. I was like, let me just try and have a whole different wardrobe than what I normally go for. It's really stunning. I think it's gorgeous. It has this wraparound thing. And it's like, you see it? So it's not really a wrap around, but it looks like it has that look of a wrap. So yeah, I just don't like, I don't like this pointy thing. I wish it was like all the way straight, you know? So I would give this one out of 10 a 6 because of this pointy thing. But I'm crazy obsessed with anything that has to do with over the shoulder, so yeah. So I got this in a small, and I'm glad that I did, because the medium was sold out. Usually I'm a medium. I weigh about 145 pounds currently, trying to lose 10. I bought this in a small, and this is how it looks. I love this. I don't know what it is, but I just love this. I like it. I think it's gorgeous. I would give this one a perfect 7. I'm very difficult to please, but look. They're gorgeous. They don't fit me though. Hey ladies, please excuse the cellulites and everything. I am working on my body, but we'll talk about this on my next video. Enjoy. And I like that it doesn't make my curves look weird. You know, some dresses make your curves look really funny. So I think this is cute. With the boots, right? I just don't have a black bag. That's the downside to it. But I think this is cute. From Fashionnova a long time ago. It was one of those Cardi B things, and I'm so excited to bring it back, really. I love the colors on me. I love everything about it. Sometimes I'm in between about the leg all showing, but I just had to just add it. I love this outfit. It was with the Cardi B collection. And yeah, I think it looks great on me. I hate this. I want to wear stockings. Definitely stockings. I love the boots! Can't wait to rock this! I don't know where I'm gonna wear this though. Oh my god, doesn't fit. Lies, you tell you don't fit today. And I bought the bodysuit as well. I should have just put the bodysuit first. This bodysuit, I think it would have looked great. They fit me, so they're mine. So these are the pants. This is the top. I like it. It's different. Very different. But I'm not gonna wear it with this. But it's very different. Right? It's gorgeous. And these are the pants. I'm in between with the pants, so I don't know. Because I feel like I have this area. It's like poofy, like right here. Do you see it? See why the clear straps help? Some of us have big, droopy boobies. So I like the velvet. Ooh, if I straighten my hair real nice and wear this top, I need a better bra, I think. Okay, so guys, I wanted this skirt initially, not this, so I have to take this back, obviously. And the shoes have to be a size 6 down. Thank God, I hope they have a 6 down. I think even a 5.5 might fit me. It's just weird, leather and jeans. Like a jean material. So. Look good though. I have this in denim. I bought it sometime last year. It's right here. And I got a large. And now it doesn't fit me because I've kind of like lost weight. And yeah. So I had to get it in the white as well. This time around, I was like, one of these days I'm gonna get it in the white. So I did. I got it in the white. And the small fits me better than the large. What was I thinking? Oh. Okay guys, so that basically makes everything that I purchased on this video. It was really like over 500 bucks. I will be sending back a couple of things, the shoes and the top. I wanted the skirt, the large skirt, and not the large top that they gave me. It was my fault, definitely not Fashionnova. However, I love everything that I purchased from Fashionnova. I love this top as well, even though it's pinching my boobies, but I just think it looks great. I think it looks great. It's really holding on. However, thank you for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe. Let's be friends on Instagram.